Hello everyone, it's Merve from Weglot, and today we're going to talk about how to build a content localization strategy. Content localization is adjusting your messages to suit international markets better. In addition to translation, content localization involves making your messages more understandable, relevant, and culturally appropriate for a local audience. Now, let's break it into actionable steps. Step 1. Define your target audience. Before you start localizing your content, you need to first define your target audience. To make a decision, consider factors such as market size and potential demand for your product or service, cultural and language differences, competitors in the market, regulatory barriers, and legal requirements. Once you identify your target audience, get to know them better by understanding their needs, preferences, and habits. Step 2. Determine what content to localize. In most cases, localizing all your content is not feasible. So instead, start with top-performing pieces and keep localizing content as you get a better understanding of what attracts and converts your international audience. Once you establish a strong presence in your foreign market, you can expand your content localization strategy to include other channels such as emails and social media to provide a fully localized experience. Step 3. Translate your website. Your website is the face of your business and it's the first point of contact for most of your international audience. So a multilingual website should be top priority in your content localization strategy. However, translating your website is more complex than just translating the text in it. It involves additional considerations such as displaying those translated pages and multilingual SEO. Using a website translation solution like Weglot can help you get started in minutes, avoid manual tasks, and human error. You can learn more from our website in the description and start your free trial today to see it for yourself. Step 4. Refine your content. Once you translate your content, you need to refine it further to make sure that it resonates with your target audience. This includes using the right tone and style of writing, including local keywords for multilingual SEO, and adapting the images, videos, and other media to their culture. Step 5. Test, measure, and improve. Measuring the success of your content localization strategy is crucial. You need to track your website traffic, engagement rate, conversion rate, and other metrics to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategy and adjust accordingly. So there you have it. These were the 5 steps to building a content localization strategy. By following these steps, you can expand your business globally and attract international customers. Good luck with your project and see you in our next video. Bye!